Hey, third grade. Today is Friday, December 11th, and you guys are going to be taking a test over representing fractions. I have assigned, or I have given you 3 slides here. You can't see that it's 3 different slides, but it is 3 different slides for you guys to attach your work. Okay. It is an expectation that you guys are showing your work on all of your assignments. It is an expectation that you are showing your work on all of your assessments. And those of you that are virtual, I obviously can't see the work that you guys are doing. So it is going to be an expectation that you guys attach your work to these slides or to this assignment when you turn it in on Google Classroom. I will be looking for this, and if you guys are not proving that you are showing your work, I'm going to take off 10 points off your test because I need to know what you guys can do and what you guys can't do. But if you turn your work in, I'll give you 10 points. So you're going to lose some points if you don't show any work, and you're going to gain some points if you do show your work, okay? Remember, take your time on this test. When you are taking a test at home, it is an expectation that you, the student in my classroom, the third grader, are the one taking the test, not mom, dad, aunt, uncle, grandma, grandpa, cousin, friend, brother, sister. Nobody like that. It is you taking the test because I need to know what you know, not what a family member or a friend knows. Okay? So that's all that you're going to be doing today. And then on Monday, we're going to be going back over the test and you will have an opportunity for some correction points. But again, you're going to have to show your work and prove that you did the assignment the way that it is intended to be done. When you are done with this test today, if you haven't finished an Education Galaxy assignment, if you haven't been practicing on reflex math, go ahead and go do that. This test shouldn't take you very long. It's not a whole lot of questions. Or you can go back and you can finish making corrections because today is the last day that we will be accepting corrections for my class, Miss Humphrey's class, and Miss Reagan's class. So that is something that you guys can go in and do, or you can go finish an assignment from earlier this week that you have not been able to complete. Remember, if you have any questions about this assessment, the best way for you guys to get a hold of me quickly is to either send me an email or have your parents send me a message on Dojo. Or if you're just needing some clarification about your assessment, you can hop onto office hours. They're going to be from 2:40 to 3:30. Hope you guys have a great day and you enjoy the rest of your Friday. All right, bye.